posted in a Dronacharya's instructor. So, naval small arm trainer, say naval small arm simulator. Here we train sailors name, officers name. In a friendly nations, training CMF sailors name, officers name will train you. And this actually helps them in gaining more confidence on increasing their accuracy in firing. And also, war situation it is all about unmanned vehicles. Conventional light use in a forward. For the ship attacking unmanned surface vehicle, drone use attacking. So this training initiative helps them in classifying the target and also helping them to engage the target with much better accuracy.
Nine mm Masada pistol, which is fully made by India. This pistol weight of only 635 grams. This pistol magazine capacity is 17 rounds. This pistol range is up to 50 meters. And this pistol can fire without magazine also. When you cock, we can fire it without magazine also. This pistol have put a different type of sight over the pistol, like you can see here that optical sight, and another is that laser sight. We can take a within the target with this laser sight also. We can use this light for night purpose, for lighting only, lighting purpose. This is short press is the light and the long press is laser sight. This pistol is replacement of our old 9mm auto pistol, which have not any provision to fix any type of sight on that pistol. That pistol on fire without magazine. Now coming to this next rifle, this is 5.56 mm Tabor X95 rifle, which is also fully made by India. This is fully ambidextrous weapon. This weapon range is 500 meters and weight is around 3.25 kg. This rifle magazine capacity is 30 rounds. We can fix 30 rounds inside this magazine. We can put a sight top of here also. We can see the sight. The sight name is Nepro sight. We can take a air crowd with this sight also. This rifle will use for that boarding operations like closed compartment fighting and BBSS operations. This rifle provided with different types of accessories like forward hand grip, like sight, like that bayonet, multi-purpose bayonet. This is very sharp, so we have to handle with care.
Next weapon is the AK-103 Whip Smash FCS. You can see this is the FCS fire control system which controls the trigger of the weapon. It is used for anti-drone operations as well as the ground operations also. This is the AK series weapon AK-103. It's smash mounted. Its weight is 3.6 kilograms. It's a lightweight weapon. Nice. Its range for engagement by FCS is 100 meter for air range, 120 meter its air range at various elevations, and 300 meters for ground range for man combat operations. You can see this magazine. It's a 30 round capacity. It is loaded with DJI Phantom drones images, various types of DJI Phantom drones images. It actually acts as a radar which lock on the targets when it's switching as we switch on this FCS. It will acquire various types of targets, drones as well as ground targets. Then we can simulate virtual type images, and you can lock on at a particular target or particular enemy, and you can shoot that enemy. This system is used for one shot, one kill purpose only.
ये 5.56 mm टबोर X95 राइफल है। ये फुल्ली मेड इन इंडिया है। इस राइफल का वज़न 3.25 kg, इसका रेंज 500 मीटर और इसका वज़न 3.25 kg है ओनली। इस राइफल का मैगजीन कैपेसिटी 30 राउंड की है। इस राइफल के साथ अलग अलग तरीके का एक्सेसरीज प्रोवाइड किया जाता है, जैसे कि ये साइट मिलिट्री स्टैंडर्ड पिकाटनी रेल के ऊपर अलग अलग तरीके का साइट यूज कर सकते हैं। उसके बाद ये टॉर्च, टैक्टिकल टॉर्च, जो कि डे एंड नाइट टाइम पे टॉर्च भी यूज कर सकते हैं। उसके बाद जब हमारे पास सारे एम्यूनिशन ख़त्म हो जाते हैं, देन दुश्मन से लड़ाई लड़ने के लिए हमारे पास एक बॉयनेट का ऑप्शन दिया गया है। इस बॉयनेट से हम दुश्मन के साथ लड़ाई लड़ सकते हैं। इस राइफ़ल का यूज़ मोस्टली बोर्डिंग ऑपरेशंस एंड BBSS ऑपरेशन के लिए किया जाता है। ये राइफ़ल हमारे इंडिया में स्पेशल फोर्सेस लाइक मार्कोस एंड कमांडोज यूज करते हैं।
So at present you can see the trainees are getting hands-on experience on some of the latest weapons that we have inducted in the Indian Navy, and I thank the participants once again for coming to Dronacharya and seeing all our training facilities, and looking forward to more visits from such international participants. Thank you.